What up, everybody? Welcome back. It's another day, another photo, another video. And we are here. This is the photo that we're working. Here we go. Right. Great. All right. Onions and some color. All right. Some blemishes. All right. Darkness time.
Now receive the fist of fury. Prepare the long rubber glove. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I wonder where my glove will go.
You know where it will go.
Oh, yeah! Oh, no, it's good, it's good. No, please, I have a wound there. Oh, come on, don't spoil everything. This one's for both of us, huh?
I'm bleeding, making me the victim.
I'll take a pound of nuts. That's a lot of nuts! That'll be $4, baby! You want fries with that? He just left! With nuts! Now receive Chicken go cluck cluck, cow go moo, piggy go. How about you? Got to be an animal just like you. Every.
Come on, water tank in.
I'm just a birdie too.
Love it. I love the compound. All right. Okay. Guess we just missed out. That'll do. And then you know. I forgot to use the tip. You can do it. Come on. I guarantee you. Well, taking longer than I expected, but it's not that big of a deal when you are working on a client thing. I would normally just let it do its thing and go and work on something else for a second. Come back. Once it's done, start working again. But yeah, for this, we're doing a photo vidIQ, so not doing that anyway. Here we go. Right. Do radio. Somewhere right here. And alright. Let's bring that up. Some contrast out. Highlight a bit, shadows up. Clarity. Yes. Great. Denoise. Okay. Two. Right. Some textures, clarity, raise, nice. Yep. Alright, that is our photo for today. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow for the next. Bye-bye.
Your clothes are red.